Today, we're diving into a fun new feature on Instagram: how to add a vinyl record sticker to your Instagram story by sharing a song. This is part of Instagram's latest update, and it's a super cool way to enhance your stories. So let's jump right in. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date by going to the App Store or Google Play Store. Having the latest version ensures you can access all the newest features. Now, open Instagram and head over to your profile. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner and select Story from the menu. When your library pops up, you'll notice a new Song option. This is where the magic begins. Tap on Song, and the music library will appear. You can find your song by typing in the title, artist, or lyrics in the search bar. Once you've found it, tap to preview the song, and you'll see it play on a vinyl sticker. But what if you want to add a vinyl sticker on your story? To add this song to your story, choose the content you want to pair it with, whether it's a photo or video. Then, tap the music icon at the top of the screen. Search for your song again, select it, and on the edit screen, swipe all the way to the right to place the vinyl sticker on your story. You can adjust the start and end times to highlight the exact part of the song you want. And there you have it, your very own Instagram story with a vinyl record sticker. That's it for today's tutorial. Adding music to your Instagram story has never been easier or more stylish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Catch you in the next video.